call to the mountains sitting across the bay. Morning comes always steadier than yesterday. I'll take the stillness as a sign to write a song about things we've done and the things still to come. Flowers in the plenty, coloring in the view. Red sunburns late Sunday afternoon. Talking for hours, places we have gone, and things we've done, and the things still to come.
Susunod. Come on. Diyan na sila. Let's go! Maya nandito na yan sila.
Trees with all the leaves, they take me to a place. Be by your side, I would work all night and day.
Hi guys! Today is Friday and nagluluto ako ng pansit. So, it's pansit day. Yung ating kawali baka tumaog. So, ito na yung ating pansit, guys. Kain tayo. Ayan. So, bali, yung sahog nito is yung niluto kong bistek kasi may tira. Ayan. Pinasahog ko dyan. Diba? Ayan siya, oh. Naalala ko noon si nanay pag gumagawa ng pansit. Pag merong adobo, yun yung pinangsasahog niya. Ay, ikaw na. Pansit. Kaon ta, guys. So yan guys, daming wild strawberries dito. Let's go. There you go, down more. There. There's a lot in there.
I'm gonna walk away.
Bantay na sila. Yeah, so yun guys, season nila. There they are. Okay, you guys need to go back inside. Hi guys, ito yung aking ginagawa ngayon. So gumagawa ako ng dalawang poste dyan at saka doon. And then maglalagay ako dito sa taas. So maglalagay ako ng tali dito pataas para sa ating mga kamatis. So yan. Kasi na-notice ko dito meron ng bunga. Yan. And then medyo natutumba na siya ng konti. So kailangan na natin siyang itali pataas. Hi! Yung ating mga gansa nandito sa labas. Hi! You guys good? Yan. So sa lahat yata ng alaga namin, ito yung pinaka very clingy. So gustong-gusto nila yung iyan, nahawakan mo sila, tapos pag aalis ka, sumusunod talaga sila kahit saan ka magpunta. Nasa labas ka, kahit busy sila, tapos alam nilang aalis ka na, magugulat ka na lang. Nandyan sila sa likuran mo, sumusunod. Nakakatuwa. Ay, thank you. So today is Saturday. So ngayon lang uminit ulit kasi ilang araw ding umulan. So yung ating mga halaman guys, tignan mo yung ating cabbage dyan. And then yung ating Brussels sprout. So update ko kayo guys mamaya pagtapos na para makita nyo kung paano ko siya isabit doon sa kanyang ano ba yun? Akyatan ba? Tama ba? Yan. So happy Saturday guys. So yan yung setup ng swimming pool ni Hana next to the sandbox. Para kang nasa dagat. Kasi merong buhangin, tapos merong tubig.
It's not there, Mom.
You okay? Is it a lot? Wow. Yeah. That's a lot. Yeah. So I'll empty this later.
Okay.
Because I'm gonna put that in a garden. You want me to call Mirai?
No.
Okay, make sure that's balanced. Yeah, put rocks in there if not.
I don't know if I'll be able to reach that.
Okay, I'll hold the ladder.
I'm fine.
Wow. What is the red thing? Oh, that's your scraper?
Yeah.
Okay. So ito pala yung aming fence na i-install doon sa ating mga manok at itik. Here. You need this or no?
Yeah.
Woo! Mama's allergy. Shh, Sarang, where are you going? You good? I'm gonna drink my coffee. Hi guys, happy Mother's Day po sa lahat. Yung aming nanay dyan sa Iloilo, yan. Happy Mother's Day. I love you guys. Guys, Hannah and I, we are making a tea.
Some mint. Good, Mama. There's so much mint in there.
Yeah. Mama likes it minty.
It really smells good.
So we're making a mint tea.
For them to snacks.
Then we have something to nibble there. We have a cookie, dates,
And I picked
butter cookie with walnut, and then Asian crackers.
and I picked the cookie and the other cookie. It's not supposed to be like that.
Diyan na yung ating mint leaf. Now I'm going to pour the hot water.
Whoa, it's green.
That smells really good.
Let me smell it.
Yeah. So we just leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes and then it's ready. Ready na yung aming mint tea. There you go. Wow.
It's yellow.
Yep. Ayan guys, purong-puro talaga yan.
It looks greenish on the inside.
Tapos pwede naman siyang dagdagan ng tubig. Tastes so good. Oh my goodness. Ang sarap.
I'm just eating bread.
Yan guys, habang nagchat-chat tayo. So, ayan yung ating labas. So, ayan guys. Mag-alas 9 na dito sa amin. So, medyo maliwanag pa ng konti, pero ayan, madilim-dilim na rin. So, pag pa-summer na talaga dito, alas 9 na nagdidilim.